Hello viewers, welcome to Akbandhan YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohanur Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make single phase motor control from two-place wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Energy meter 1, energy meter 2, double pole MCB 1, magnetic contactor 1 and 2, double pole MCB 2, NC switch, NO switch, NC switch, another NO switch. Phase connection input to energy meter 1, neutral connection input to energy meter 1. Phase connection between meter 1 and meter 2, neutral connection between meter 1 and meter 2. Phase connection from meter 2 to connect double pole MCB 2, neutral connection from meter 2 to connect double pole MCB 2. Phase connection to double pole MCB 1, neutral connection to DP MCB 1. Phase connection from double pole MCB 1 to connect magnetic contactor 1. Phase connection from magnetic contactor 1 to connect NO switch. Another connection from NC switch to double pole MCB connection. Phase connection from DP MCB 2 to connect magnetic contactor 2. Phase connection from double pole MCB 2 to connect NC switch, again NO switch. Phase connection from NO switch to connect contactor to NO point. Neutral connection from double pole MCB 2 to connect magnetic contactor 2. Neutral connection to magnetic contactor coil connection. Neutral connection from double pole MCB 1 to connect magnetic contactor 1 and connect to magnetic contactor 1 coil connection. Output connection from NO switch to connect magnetic contactor 1. Output connection from NO switch to connect magnetic contactor 1 NC terminal. Output connection from magnetic contactor to NC terminal to connect NO switch. Short with magnetic contactor coil connection. Another connection from contactor 1 to connect contactor 2. Another connection from contactor 1 to connect magnetic contactor 2. Output connection from magnetic contactor 1 and magnetic contactor 2 or single phase motor. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.